Go ahead.
So I'm gonna file a demur too on the 632, which is the eavesdropping, because the DA, when they did their pitch to get the restraining order,
Lied.
said that you had in there, that there was a patient whose conversation you had recorded, and in the video that you showed me, there's nothing like that. You're just recording your own self walking by.
Well, not only that, but let's go one step further. If that patient is in a public waiting room, the waiting room is public and he should have no expectation of privacy. If he's going to be discussing something with his doctor, he should be taken behind closed doors.
And there was nothing like
But
that.
but I'm just saying, in addition.
The judge is going to see the video, right?
Right. No, but let's not forget that the DA told the judge that I'd been arrested 4 times. He didn't tell the judge that, out of the 4 arrests, that, nothing ever came of it, the charges were dropped, and that I have a signed confession from the city already proving that it's broken medical law against me. That might be one of the reasons they continue to break the law, because what was the consequence of them breaking the law in the first place?
Okay, so then, so I am also going to file the demur in the 602.1b. I had only filed the demur to the 372, but I've now researched the law on these two, and I think that we have a good standing for those two.
Well, what does 632C mean?
So the 632A.
No, but what is C? Have you looked at C?
I haven't looked at C.
Okay, if you look at C, it'll tell you what is the definition of a confidential communication.
Okay.
And it doesn't fall into any of those parameters.
Okay. I know that. I can tell that just on like knowledge of other confidentiality.
Okay, but if this is all happening to somebody who just knows the law, I mean, excuse me, they're harming me.
I know they are.
Okay. I need medical help. By what they pulled, I'm not able to go see the doctor and to confront him about, everything that's going on and continue to seek my help. With this bogus arrest, and I'm in the middle of a federal lawsuit, all I'm doing is throwing up and getting more depressed and everything else because I'm not getting any help.
Can you go somewhere else? Can you go to like SF General for now?
SF General is the one I'm fighting in federal court for having denied me 3 times last year emergency services.
Oh, okay. And
it's on YouTube.
Okay.
Everything I have is on YouTube, so that nobody can say that I'm.
So, are you restrained from what other?
I'm not restrained from going to San Francisco General.
Yeah.
But I'm not going there because
you don't trust their
why should I? They've already broken the law, and I have a signed confession. They've never come clean. Mm-hmm. Have you even seen the confession?
I have not seen that video. I remember this
open up another window and go to my own private Guantanamo.com.
Where?
My own private Guantanamo.com. It should be the whole thing. All together. Can I get in for a second? I can get it.
Sorry, I can't let you do
Okay, all you gotta do is get to the URL. You're not in the URL.
Oh, you want me to do the extra?
Yes. When I was 18, I built the Defense Department's computers. I'm sorry if I'm... That's where I thought you were going. There you go. That's the 2001 case, okay? That's where they denied me emergency services. When I went back to the sheriff, if you open that, and asked for my medical records on that day that I was denied emergency services. This is the letter I got back from the sheriff, signed. Who is that? Nurse, RN, Ratchet. Okay, go back. Backspace. Oh, I'm sorry, go forward. Okay. So I went to Nancy Pelosi's office. They looked into my case, blah, 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 blah. Here's the defendant's response where they lied to have my case dismissed. Go up.
Okay, it's up. It's all the way up. Down.
That's what I meant. Go up. And here is the signed settlement agreement page. If you go to page 2, right there.
Okay, so clearly I need to read this stuff.
There is where they admitted having broken federal emergency law to me. Just hit next. And let's not forget, in court,
Jason
they testified.
Inappropriate.
Yeah, and let's not forget, in court, they testified that they had provided everything correctly. That's why my case was thrown out. 4 years later, they signed the confession. Nobody's explained it to me. And I've been looking for my medical care ever since, because you know what? They can continue to break the law because nobody enforces it.
Okay, so like right now, seeing all of this, Jason, this is why I wanted to have time to sit with you.
Mm-hmm.
Clearly, I need to look into a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a lot, okay?
Mm-hmm. And clearly, I'm somebody who already has proven that the Department of Public Health has broken the law against him.
And I need to have that stuff so that I can better explain your position both to the judge when we argue your demur, and to the jury if our demur is not sustained.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So that means I need more time to prepare, because now I know where all the resources are that you're talking about. I wish I would have known about this one.
I told you that probably the first day.
You probably told me, you know.
But that's okay. There's so much going on. But this is my point, you know. That would not be there if it's not for me.
Yeah. And if you weren't vocal about your needs and the things that need to be done. And so I appreciate that.
Well, let's back up. Vocal about my needs, seeking my health care. I went in seeking my health care. They arrested me, denied me my health care. I took them to federal court. They lied, had my case dismissed. 4 years later, they signed a confession in 2007. It's 2015. No one has explained it to me. I'm still trying to follow up on my health care. And because I have a signed confession, I have what's known as an adjustment disorder. I can't adjust to disorder. So now you've already proven to me that you're motherfucking liars. I've got to videotape everything. That's my programmatic access to feel safe.
And to feel that, yeah, and I understand. That's why I'm completely okay with you recording all this stuff. So, given that
that's why I've recorded over 900 videos. You know, if you saw the one where they came down with a bogus restraining order, who stood up for me when the Department of Public Health did that wrong? When I went to the DA and wanted to press charges, did you see the video where he told me he didn't care about my legal rights?
Yeah, I saw that one.
All right. Did you see the one where I got in with all the people with the sheriff who told me that if the DA and the city attorney didn't support me, there was nothing he could do?
I only saw those two videos because we put them on the flash drive.
Right.
And then the video I really want. Okay. So this is the nitty gritty and bottom line. Okay. I want to do a really good job for you, and I want all our motions to be legit. Okay? So that means that they have to be really beefed up with a lot of backup support, including law. I have the motion 372, which is, I have a running motion that I did. I think I need to fix it a little bit. Where is my dimmer on the 372? You see all this work that goes into everything? I have all
Who do you think is doing his own federal lawsuit all by himself?
Oh, it's a lot of waiting and a lot of doing that.
And it's a lot of bullshit, because if you don't know what you're doing, they can throw it out on a technicality. Now, excuse me, what ordinary person is going to know what they're doing?
Exactly. It's so hard. So I understand that it's really hard. I just
if you have the courage to do the right thing, no matter how hard it is, and then for them to fuck you with the system itself, and then sign a confession and never come back, why isn't the judge pissed off that this happened?
I know.
Why? No. The judge from 2001 that let this happen, in the old thing. Why? Why isn't the Department of Public Health ever come back and said what happened? Or San Francisco General, who signed it, who signed the confession.
So let me tell you sort of what I need and kind of the thing that I need from you, okay? I need more time to do my documentation in a way that's well done, okay?
I don't know what that means. If you're asking me for more than 40 days, I'm not going to go past that. They can drop the charges.
So I am not ready to do your trial yet.
Right.
Trial,
what happens on 10-2?
So on 10-2 is another negotiation day, but I'm not going to be there. And we're not negotiating, right? So the only thing that we want to do, I want to present the video to the judge, but I'm not going to be there. And nobody else knows how to explain the video other than me.
Or me.
But they're not going to... So let's be clear, right? They're not going to be as willing to listen to you as they will to your lawyer. Okay, what I want to do, Jason, is I want more time to prepare a trial that I can win for you. And the only way to do that is I need 15 more days, okay, from the 19th.
No. I'm in the middle of a federal lawsuit. I can't give you all this time because I'm going to be filing a supplemental, a supplemental suit for, harassment and retaliation, because that's exactly what this is.
But if we lose the trial, then
how are we going to lose the trial? I haven't done anything wrong,
well,
and I've got 900 videos for them to watch.
There's 900 videos, right?
Then the jury
so
can watch them.
There's
and make up their
900
mind.
videos, and then we don't know. I don't know exactly what's on every video.
I do. They can
Okay,
watch
but
all
you're
of
not
them.
going to defend yourself. I'm
Well,
going
at
to
this
defend
point,
you.
if I have to, I have to, because
You don't have to, but you just have to be patient, though, Jason.
No, I'm not extending my time. No, they can drop
Okay,
the charges.
they have it till the 19th, okay?
Right.
So they have till the 19th.
Right.
So then on the 2nd, nothing is going to happen, okay? Because I'm not going to be there. Basically, we're just going to put it over to next Friday. On that day, on that Friday, I should be at a trial. I could argue both the demur and the motion to modify the stay away order. Okay? If that doesn't happen, then they could send us out to trial, which I highly doubt, because I think they're going to send us to trial until the so the 19th is your last day for trial. So they're probably going to send us to trial on the 14th.
Okay, so, I think what I need is a copy of the videos that he gave you, so I can look at them and tell you more about them.
I have to make a copy of it.
Right.
So I have to make and I can't do that right now because my IT person isn't here. So, but that's kind of, so that would help me a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have him make a copy of the video tomorrow. I've been in trial all day, not in the office, okay? So I'm gonna have him make a copy of the videos he gave me, all the materials they gave me.
Well, I have a thumb drive. All you gotta do is plug it in and
Okay,
copy
fine.
it down. I think,
But look at how much.
But that's not over 800. What's the whole package? Which is...
So this is what they gave me. This is what they gave me. It's not over 800.
Right,
But,
this thing has
but
got...
it has
this
videos
thing,
and images.
That's fine. This thing has got 64 megabytes on it, or 32 megabytes, or who knows how much. I can't remember.
So put it in there.
Right.
We'll copy.
Okay, but what you want to do is you want to copy the whole directory.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
No,
Is this it?
no, yeah. Just close that whole thing.
Close this one.
All right, now go back one, is what I'm saying in your thing. You should
Okay.
be able to go to like C or D or whatever drive you're on. Okay.
So this whole thing, I copy it.
Data, auto port. Go back one more. Okay, so what's D? Is that what it
This
says?
is
D,
where-
file folder. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what you copy. So right click, copy.
Copy. See, you see.
I built the Defense Department's computers when I was 18. Why do you think I have all the videos? Because I know how people fucking lie.
Copy.
E to E,
Okay, legs are.
and then over here,
Just
then
copy
right
it.
click, paste.
Okay.
Now let's see how long. Okay, that should do it. Yeah, I got enough room. What does it say? 2.83 gigs. So we'll see what it does, and then we can reopen it on that and see how it works.
Okay, and then the other thing is there's also this thing.
What is that one? Another one?
Uh-huh.
So they're going to show the jury that I'm following up on my health care, and that's a nuisance.
Yes.
Boy, what do they think the
This
jury
is
is stupid?
the witnesses, the victim, the receptionist statement. Okay.
Oh, and I also need a copy of the police
I'll
statement
give
that
you.
was
I'll
alive.
give you a copy of it right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
But okay, so if you want to go fast, what I'm gonna need you to do is I'm gonna need you to go through all of the videos that are on there or whatever, because some of them don't even play. Right, that's an issue that I'm having even with my copies.
I'll look. I mean, I'll do the best I can.
And then write down like video 1 is the first one that comes up when you open it.
I'll put the name. It'll
It's
tell you the name. I know what to do.
Okay.
And then what? So I open the video, play it. Then what? I mean, I don't know what
And
they're
then
going to be arguing.
you tell me what it is you were doing, right? Because sometimes you're just talking and I don't know what you're doing, right? So you tell me.
But how is that proving I'm a nuisance if I'm not even in the building?
And you're not even anywhere. But I want to know what the videos are about, right? From you, not
Right,
from
no,
anybody
but
else.
how can they even use that is what I'm saying. I mean,
They
don't they look
can't.
like idiots?
I'm gonna try to exclude everything. I'm gonna try to exclude everything under evidentiary issues. But I want to know what's being said and why it's being said.
Right. And then what? Do I also point out the videos where I'm pointing out what they're not pointing out? Because I've got those videos. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say?
I
They're
don't-
representing it one way, and I've got the videos that show the truth.
I'm gonna look at the other videos that you have on your YouTube page. Okay.
That's 900 videos. You're welcome to look through them.
I have to look through them because that's part of your case, and I have to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the thing I want you to understand, though, I have trials ahead of you, okay? So if I am in trial with another person, that means I can't go to trial on your case. Understood? Can we have an agreement that if that happens, you're not going to be pissed off because I'm working on your case?
You just lost me.
Well, you're not going to get mad if I'm not ready to do your trial that moment.
As long as it doesn't go past the 45 days,
The 45 days is the 19th.
Right.
of October.
I mean, that's my whole point.
Well, it could. This is what I'm telling
But
you.
no, because I can't have it drag out. I gotta file the supplemental in the next month.
Okay.
That's the whole point. They're doing this probably so that I can't file my, to get me to chicken out of doing the federal one.
No.
Who knows what the fuck they're doing?
Who cares what they're doing?
I care because I'm not getting my medical
but
care
you
and I'm
can
not
still-
having my rights
okay.
enforced. I care. That's why I made 900 videos to show that they can break the law and it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Excuse me, I'm the victim here.
I know you are, okay? So this is just a confession of the interview that they did in this complaining witness, okay? You can listen to that. I'll give you a copy of it too. Don't post this one.
I'm not
you
posting
absolutely
anything.
cannot post.
I'm not
even
posting
after
anything.
the case is over.
Oh, okay, I understand. The witness statement?
Yeah, the witness statement. You cannot post it in even after the case is over. Otherwise, I can't give it to you.
Well, then maybe we better watch it because, I don't want to forget
Okay.
and do it accidentally,
No, then I'm not gonna make you a copy of it.
That's what
You
I'm
can
saying.
just watch it.
I'll watch it with you. I know.
I'm like,
With so many things that are happening right now with me in the federal lawsuit, me throwing up every night, I'm not getting any help and I'm not getting any, health care.
I'm trying. You see, I'm trying with you. Okay, I'm not trying to.
Yeah, but
ignore
if
you.
they can extend it forever,
They can.
well,
They can
that's why
extend-
I want the 45 days.
But if I ask you, it's for a reason. I'm asking you because I need more time, Jason. I mean, I can be ready, but I can be more prepared, more put together, more everything. If you give me a
Do
little
you
more time.
really think that the other side's going to want me to show my 900 videos to the jury? Because that's going to be my very first request. If you're looking at this, you look at the whole big picture,
I
not
don't
just
think-
these little clips.
I don't think that they're gonna want that.
I
don't
could
think-
care less. I'm defending myself.
You're not defending yourself. I'm helping you defend yourself.
Well, in helping
Together.
defend myself, I want a clear, total picture, not these little snippets. That means all 900 videos. Start from the
I don't
beginning to
want
see
any
how
of
they
them-
fucked me and how they continue to do it and how they get away with it because the sheriff is security and because he has sole jurisdiction and because they're playing all these mind games and nobody's accountable. Not my problem.
Okay, so I know what you like, what your position is. I've told you what mine is, and then we're good. Okay?
No, we're not good if it's going to conflict because,
It's not going to conflict.
well, then we...
I mean, I have a million cases, but I'm telling you, Jason.
I've heard every word you've said.
If I go to trial with you, it's because I'm going to be ready and I'm going to work really hard. I just wanted to have a little extra time. But if
No,
you're
I don't
willing-
want extra time because it's going to cut into the other stuff that I'm doing that no one's helping me with. And after we go to trial and I win, because there's no way I can lose, I've done nothing wrong, there's still, next time I show up, they're probably going to arrest me again because nobody's going to address the issue about whether or not it's legal for me to do what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm supposed to look forward to that and be happy about that?
No, but
But what?
But
I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at the whole goddamn system that I'm being played by. Fuck this noise.
I know.
I'm sick. I've paid in all my life. I can't get my fucking health care, and all I'm doing is videotaping the fact that they're fucking me.
I know. I like your case. I think it's going to be wonderful. We're going to do good. We're going to do good. It's just a lot of work. And you have to listen to me, okay?
I listen to you. I don't agree with the tactics. I don't agree with the strategy.
But you have to believe in my tactics because I've trained in them.
Oh, bullshit. I took them to federal court and they lied. I don't have to believe in your tactics when I've seen how they can get away with bullshit and never be accountable. No fucking way do I have to believe.
I know. I know, Jason. But don't be screaming because everybody's going to think you're going to be mad.
I'm not screaming at you. I'm screaming at the situation.
I know.
You know?
I don't get scared. You see me?
Well, I'm not.
You're not even scary.
I'm not scary. There isn't a violent bone in my body.
I know
But
that.
I'm tired of being fucked over for being right.
But you got to control that, though. When we're in front of the jury, though, they got to like you.
All you gotta do is watch 900 videos to see, why I'm this way.
Okay? They got to like you.
All right, so go ahead and
How do I do this?
close
Jason?
out. Just close out of the box.
Okay, this thing.
That one, and pull my thing out.
Okay, pull it out.
Yeah. Now put yours in so I can see what she said. To this day, nobody has explained to me, and I'm the one who went. If you look on the videos, you see me go into compliance and privacy and asking them about the HIPAA law and what law I'm breaking, and they don't even know the law, and they're supposed to be the ones who enforce it.
I know that.
Well, then, this is the Department of Public Health's own compliance and privacy. It's on YouTube.
They should do everything the way that it's supposed to be.
And if they don't, what's the consequence?
Hi, sorry, I'm trying to get an updated statement from you for the attorney. Is this your attorney? Do you have a couple minutes right now?
Regarding what?
Hold on, let me turn this off.
That Jason